Hey everybody, I'm on How to Solve YouTube. The invite-only audio-based social media app Clubhouse is growing up fast and it is more in debut after the Elon Musk joined the Clubhouse app. So are you using the Clubhouse app? Not yet? Would you like to join it and get the most out of the Clubhouse app? Get the link in this video description and pinned comments. Now let's on today's topic, who owns the Clubhouse app? You my friends. The Good Demand app founded by Paul Davison and Rohan Seth, both are Bay Area entrepreneurs. The alumni of Stanford University. Paul Davison is co-founder and CEO of Alpha Exploration Co.which is the company behind the Clubhouse app. And Rohan Seth is a co-founder for Clubhouse app, too. Now let's see both the academic credential and former work experience.